So ayun, happy birthday, baby Jody. Dalangin namin na lumaki kang malusog at lumaki kang may takot sa Panginoon. And lagi mo tandaan, laging sumunod sa magulang because they know what is the best for you. Enjoy your birthday, baby Jody. And naniniwala ako na talagang paglaki mo, you will serve and glorify God katulad ng iyong mga magulang. God bless you, baby Jody, and see you soon.
Ayun, happy birthday, baby Jody. And as your ninong and ninang, and ayan, pag natuto ka na mag-chat, you can send us any prayer request if you want, no, na yun naman yung role namin as your ninong and ninang. And we are always here for you para ipanalangin ka. If you need some advice when you grow up, just let us know, no? And sabi nga, and we thank you for your parents for trusting us to be your ninong and ninang. And ayun nga, sabi ni Ninong Raymil, we hope to see you once we visit Philippines soon. So, happy birthday, baby Jody!